Okay, so as I was editing day 9 of our New Zealand trip 2019, I just realized that I didn't have any footage. And yeah, on that day we were just chilling in the house, I mean, in the hotel. So I'm just gonna go directly to day 10. Let's go, day 10. Okay guys, this is the last day here at Queenstown, and again I'm gonna show you the view from the hotel. It's kind of blown out, just try to fix it. So that's the view, so that's the view. So yeah, heading up the room. Yeah, so our flight's gonna be tonight, and we're heading off. Nice view of the room, saying goodbye, back to Melbourne. Yep, we'll see. Glenorchy, I'm back. It's been a while been here in Glenorchy. I was running around in those places there, was running here and running there. And this place here has snow-capped mountains. Last time I came here it was summer and still has snow-capped mountains. So we're just killing time now because after we head out of the hotel, we still have a lot of time to burn. We're gonna our flight's gonna be like tonight around 8. And yeah, still have a lot of time. We're still around 11. So just decided to come here to Glenorchy and take some photos, relax while Laura goes to sleep because she hasn't slept last night. But yeah, I'm just gonna come here and do a bit of vlog. It's cold. It's really cold, man. It's good. It's awesome. Okay, let's start taking photos now. It's nice to be back here at Glenorchy. The last time we went here, I was vlogging. Not that much, but I was taking photos. I was running around here doing that intro for my vlog, and also it was getting dark. We came here late because we were doing a lot of stops on the way. This is 30 minutes away from Queenstown. It's a fairly nice place to stay. This one here, this house here is really iconic. Like whenever I see it, it like calms me down. There were snow-capped mountains then, even though it was I forgot what month was it. It was summer, but it still has snow-capped mountains. We were so amazed with it. And then it was the sunset, so everything was going yellowish sunset vibes. So it was perfect. We didn't have much time, but it was perfect. I'm heading back to the car now because it's really cold, and I just like to take a break or relax for now. So yeah. Small camera because I've kept the big camera in the bag. Want to get used to this small one, but yeah, the audio is really crappy with this one. We're still in Glenorchy, and just came back to this store here where I bought my headlamp. I bought my headlamp. I have an old headlamp that I bought here, and yeah, what really amazed me with this place is that they have this recyclable things like rubbish, recyclable worms. So they have all these to make sure that you throw your garbage properly. So yeah, it's really good. Just waiting for Laura right now that she's in the toilet. So we'll see. Guys are looking at me. So I'm back to this place here, and I remember I was taking photos with this one and this one. Garden tools. It's a small shed. Oh yeah.
So beautiful.
Yeah. So I was here before, and yeah, garden tools. It's really good to be here to be back here. What the fuck? Anyway, so yeah, it's been a while. I remember this place, but I'm getting inside. I'm just checking some stuff in. Just got here at the general store and got some Sweet. There's a lot of nice stuff here. I got my headlamp here before. Check out the place. Lots of cool stuffs. Yeah, lots of cool stuffs. Yeah. Nice. There you go. Get me to buy something. No. I won't like that. Airport. Back in Melbourne. Yes, back to reality. And tomorrow I'll be shooting a wedding, 6:30 a.m. Dawn's Fall. Yeah. It's 10 p.m. now, tomorrow morning.
All the way in the bukid.
Yeah, it's 10 p.m. now. We live an hour away from the airport. And by 6:30, I should be in the bride's place, which is around 45 minutes away from our place. So yeah, let's have fun. Okay, that's it for that for our Queenstown Part 2 trip. Part 3 coming up soon. Yeah.